Are you fed up with scrawny Christmas trees?
Extremely flammable. That lose their pine needles. And which threaten to collapse at the first cat that passes by.
This year, we're going for maximum safety. Welcome to the KRATOS safety tutorial for a 100% certified Christmas tree. The crucial element for stability, the dead weight anchorage. Thanks to it, your tree will be able to withstand the greatest impact force, including Santa Clauses. The basis of our system, the adjustable anchoring tripod. Ensure you have adequate clearance. The legs should be spread apart for an optimal angle of 30 to 45 degrees. This guarantees load distribution. Now let's move on to the decoration stage, or as we call it, creating the festive path of life. We use an 11mm semi-static rope with a braking strength of over 20 kN. We use a screw lock and triple action locking carabiner to securely attach this festive load element.
There you go. Your 100% original and safe tree will allow you to enjoy a wonderful holiday season with your loved ones.
Next week, we'll show you how to use our stretcher to slide down snowy slopes.